Hi, I'm Philip Snalloon, co-founder of Codio, the platform for teaching computer programming in schools and universities. In this video series, we'll be talking to teachers, industry professionals, experts in the field of computer science and coding, bringing you expert insight into the ways in which you can teach computer programming in your own school or university. Please subscribe to the Codio channel to watch earlier interviews and get updates as we continue to talk to the experts in the field of computer science and computer programming. In this second video, we talk to Rob Leeman.
I'm Rob Leeman. I'm the subject specialist for computer science and ICT at OCR, the exam board. I've been teaching in classrooms computer science and ICT for the last 7 years, running departments up and down the country. And now I write the new specifications for both GCSE and A-level computer science. I think coding is incredibly important. It's a vital skill. It's one of the 4 sciences now. It's really, really important. It underpins computational thinking. It underpins the method of deconstructing problems and finding solutions to problems in the 21st century. And it's incredibly important for supporting our digital economy. The best way to engage students in learning how to code is to make it fun and make it so it's relevant to what they're doing, so it produces results that they see and can use every day. There are a lot of technology challenges. Most importantly is the skills shortage. The vast majority of computer science teachers are non-specialist and they're struggling to keep up with the demands of the rigour of the course. They are trying to implement new technology. They are looking at different ways of engaging students using things like tablets and different coding platforms to varying degrees of success. It's incredibly important that they embrace new technology. There's a lot of stumbling blocks that need to be overcome, and I think online platforms get around a lot of those issues, be it security, infrastructure, funding, and yes, it ticks a lot of boxes. I think a platform like Codio will enable teachers to facilitate the learning a lot more effectively. I think they're able to focus more on supporting the candidates in the classroom and allow them to be self-paced in how they access the material and learn how to code. Self-learning is vital. It's how I learn to code. It's how a lot of my colleagues learn to code. You go at your own pace. It's very difficult to put in place a fixed linear pedagogy for computer science. So my top tips for teaching the computer science curriculum would be, first of all, learn the specification. Learn the subject content, learn the assessment objectives, learn how it is being assessed, learn how to code, practice coding, do a lot of it, learn how to do the problems yourself. And once you're familiar with it, then you're able to imbue your students with that confidence and ability to be able to succeed. With the new redevelopments of GCSE computing in particular, there's a renewed emphasis on programming skills and especially with algorithms and computational thinking. And so there's a much greater emphasis on learning how to program effectively. Developments that will help that, such as different new resources such as Codio, will greatly help the delivery of that and the teaching and learning. You can learn computer science using any language. It's down to the proficiency of the tutor. It's the understanding behind the language which is really important. It's the understanding the computational thinking, the deconstruction, the decomposition. That those are the skills that can be applied through any language and any medium. That's the important skills. I think a real IDE development environment is incredibly important because you're applying the skills you're learning in a real fashion, and that's directly applicable to education and industry. In the coming year, in terms of teaching computer science, there's going to be a lot more of a shift to online, definitely. There's a lot more teachers becoming upskilled, so we're going to see a rush of new resources appearing online. I mean, there has been a bit of a lack of it in the past, especially in terms of quality and availability, but with organisations such as CAS, that's starting to rear its head. I think computer science is incredibly important for building skills for the future, especially for the digital economy. Everything is digital now. The entire world is digital. We're starting to see the Internet of Things, and we need developers to be able to do that. From before, which is a very specialist niche area of education, it's now becoming mass market, and so we're going to get a lot more talented people going into computer sciences and helping support that. The growth is astronomical. I mean, last year it trebled in size. This year it's already quadrupled in size. Everybody's now doing it as it is mandated. Everybody has to study computer science, so it is growing enormously fast.
We hope this video will have provided you with some expert insight into the teaching of coding. And for more expert advice, please subscribe to this channel, or follow Codio on Twitter or Facebook, or visit codio.com. Thanks for watching.